Mr. Native Survival. Got a storm coming through. Let's have a little overnighter. Okay, so here's the front of the lean. I've just got my kit over there, my axe, my 22, and my ruck underneath. And I already started a pine bough bed right there. Alright, so I'm just improving my bed by popping up all this snow. Get my bedding area down to a forest floor. Alright, so I packed the snow that meets my lean-to in the back. I scraped down to the forest floor and got rid of all the snow. And there's the outside. You know, just being out of the wind and being able to lay down on my blanket and just, you know, take a load off and just relax for a minute is really awesome. You know, it's a great feeling. It's fantastic. You know, you put your blanket down, put some pine boughs underneath it. I scraped away the snow underneath me, and I've readied my fire pit. I'm just taking a breather for a minute, gonna drink a little water. You know, I'm just laying down, you know, reserving myself a little bit. Then I'm going to head back out into the elements, start processing firewood. But I mean, just getting out of the wind and just being able to relax, you know. I can hear the snow hitting my tarp above me. I can hear the wind gusting, and I have windbreaks, debris walls on both sides of me. It's just a really nice feeling that I can just relax in. Alright, I know it's dark, but it's my wool blanket. And it's got my 22 and my axe on it, but my axe is going to be coming with me because I got to go process some firewood. Alright, so I just spend the better half of maybe 35-45 minutes processing some firewood, bucking some oak logs. Pretty much all I gathered was pine and oak. Alright, pine to get started, oak to see me through, right? My storm is absolutely brutal right now. Super windy, and you know, just getting hammered by snow. Yes! Told you, fire in a blizzard. Whew. It's got a nice little fire. Got some big stuff on there just to slow down the burn. Moisture's steaming off me now. That's key. As you can see right there. My whole body's steaming like that. My jacket, my pants, everything. Alright, got a nice little fire going. Let's make some supper. Alright, so before I left, my pops surprised me with a awesome cod fillet. Super fresh. He picked it up today down at the docks at New Bedford, so it doesn't get fresher than that. Pretty pumped. That's going to be delicious. And with that, figured I'd make a little bacon as well. Yep, cod with bacon.